Hi, I'm Melinda Napoli,
Hi, I'm John Napoli.
and we took our first fantasy RV tour in the summer of 2022. It's called the Badlands Tour, and we enjoyed it a lot. I think people think about costs and they compare, spreadsheets. How can I do this on my own? Is it less expensive? Is it more expensive? And I just wanted to share that we really thought there's some value in the tours related to the ambassadors, because the ambassadors that take you on the tour have a lot of experience, in many cases, doing that exact same tour or even traveling for years in the area. So they have expertise that they can share with you, take you to places that maybe you never would have thought of. Or in our case, we actually extended our trip and stayed for another week in the same area, stayed in a campground that our tail gunner had recommended, and saw a bunch of sites that they all suggested. They suggested every one of the sites, and we saw amazing things.
The ambassadors did a great job. They kept us busy. By the time the end of the day came, I was tired. I didn't get out as much as I wanted to, but started at 6 a.m., go until 5. It's a long day, but I enjoyed it.
We enjoyed a lot of the different things we did on the Badlands tour. We particularly liked the bear zoo. There was all kinds of baby animals. It was a drive-through zoo where you're really driving the bus right through the zoo. But really, one of our favorite activities was one of the suggestions from the tail gunner, and that was to go to a museum about bison. And it was only about 45 minutes away from where we stayed in the campground, and it was just one of those most memorable things. There was a Native American guide, and he actually played it's a Native American harp for us. And we saw big statues of the bison. It was just a really cool experience that we never would have known about.
This was our first RV, our first fantasy tour, our first trip outside of the state of Arizona in an RV. So we were nervous. We didn't know what to expect. But these guys did a great job and showing us a lot. Their knowledge was fantastic. The buses, the people that were instructors on the bus that were teaching us everything about the area. I thoroughly enjoyed it. My wife enjoyed it, and we had a lot of great memories.